that chain's hooking. What's good, Cruising Squad? I couldn't even say that right. You heard me? I am tired. I'm exhausted. Do y'all see the bags on my eyes, man? I'm exhausted. Yo, I've been hustling. I've been working so hard, trying to get everything done for you guys and at home. Like, it's just, I'm exhausted. But let me turn up a little bit. Hold on. Alright, y'all, it's your boy Grizzly Marty. I'm back with another daggone video, man. You say I gotta switch it on sometimes. Sometimes you can't you just gotta turn it on, man. You gotta just turn it on. But y'all, I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. It's been so long. The weather been crazy, as you see. It's no more snow on the ground. But what's been happening is that it's been extremely cold and I've been working. It's been my busy week at work, which means I have no time to do anything but sleep. Alright, so come home, go to sleep, and I'm back at work. So it's my busy week. So now this week is finally done with. So now I'm gonna have more time for you guys. I'm gonna have videos every single daggone day. I'm gonna say got daggone day, okay? Got daggone day. All right, it's not god daggone day, it's got daggone day. Got. All right, for those who got sensitive about like, oh, don't use my God in vain, I said every got daggone day. Got. Okay. All right, but let me show y'all something real quick. I got some stuff in the mail. I don't know what's gonna happen this weekend. As you see, the rain clouds coming in. So still have the stickers. I still have a few of the yellow. Have all the green. 2 blues. I think I have 3 yellows. And these are orange and 3 orange. All right. So that's what I got left. Hey y'all, get your stickers while you can. A lot of people been getting them. Oh yeah, and I sold my my front grill the other day. That joint was sold, so no more of that. But look what I got in the mail. Look what I got in the mail. Look what I got in the mail, y'all. Ooh. I was supposed to put it on this week. I would have had it done this week, but due to my work schedule, I couldn't do it. Y'all see what it is? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the side markers, man. The LED side markers. Those will be put on sometime. Maybe this weekend. If I can get it done this weekend, I'm gonna do it. But that might be a video that I probably have to do. I don't know. Probably next week or so. But I will be having them videos coming back to back, y'all, because I'm finally free. You know, I'm free, trying to get back to something that I love, which is my car. Let me go ahead and show y'all. This is Black Beauty, y'all. For all the new subscribers, man, I'm sorry. I really don't try to be away for a whole week, but this week was crazy for me. It was just a crazy week for me, man. Usually I like do videos ahead of time and get it done, but this time I wasn't able to do that because of the snow. Just messed me up big time. So then when the week came, when I had to come in, all I had to do was work. But let's go ahead, y'all. I am back. Grizzly Marty is back, man. Let's go ahead and get this cold start. Come on, baby. Growl, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all, that's Black Beauty right there. I'm telling y'all, she is a monster. She is a monster. Ooh. So, oh yeah, I found out something new. I'm gonna fill up. I'm gonna get some gas for her. Get some gas for her. Get a full tank because I know I'm gonna be riding her. I probably won't get a wash today. She do need to be washed though. She got some dirt on her. I definitely need to get a wash. Need to get her clean. So what I'm about to do now is about to go ahead to the store. People acting crazy. Slow down when you come into the parking lot, bro. Don't be speeding when you do this joint. So what I'm about to head to the store. I'm about to talk to y'all for a little bit. All right. Woo! Look how beautiful she looks, man. I love the bigger pipes too. It's so cool. Like the bigger pipes, it is much louder. It's much deeper. Man, look at Black Beauty, man. That was a funny mess, but you lost it. Alright, good. That's Black Beauty, y'all. She is one of the greatest 300s around. Ooh, that wicker built by Evil Customs though. And this is something I didn't see. You got the Evil, if y'all can see it, it say, come on, come on. Let me see if I can get it clear. It say Evil Customs right there. So, let me go ahead and show y'all everything I got. It's been so long since I drove her. I'm gonna even go turn on the lights and everything. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna give her a nice little wash, man. She haven't been washed in a minute. Yes, sir. Gonna turn my lights on. Keep them joints going. Woo! I just had to do it one time. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry to all my neighbors. Put everything in sport, bro. I just feel like driving in sport. Yes, sir. She's back. So Grizzly Gang, I just wanted to talk to y'all for a little bit because I left y'all hanging, man. Y'all probably like, where the heck is Grizzly Marty, man? Man, your boy been working like a mug, man. I've been working non-stop. I come home and I'm asleep, bro, and I'm back. Oh, hustling, man, for YouTube and mostly for my family and everything. But then the other part is YouTube. So YouTube is not easy, y'all. YouTube is hard. So always remember that. Shout out to all the Grizzly Gang that's still been supporting me, man. We keep growing we just keep growing. It's real cool. I really appreciate you guys for still sticking with me. It's been real crazy this week, but I got some things coming up this weekend and the week. So I'm gonna be putting up the side markers. Should be getting something else in. Should be doing some stuff to my Mazda 3. You know, so I'm gonna have a bunch of car content for you guys. I'm gonna keep it coming. Cause I've been gone too long. Way too long. So I'm back, man. I think it was about, well, I posted a video on Monday and now it is Friday. So yeah, it's been a few days. So 3 to 4 days, whatever you wanna count, Get out the way, move. Get out the way. I sound like a bully, like, get up. Move! Hey, what the heck was that? Oh my gosh, that chain is hooking. I know when you tap it twice, but it dropped gear and I didn't like go, and then it just hooks. Wow, it's hooking hard, bro. That chain snapping my neck a little bit. I'm gonna stop because I don't want to mess up my drive, my axle or whatever it is. I don't know that thing is back. The differential. Did I say it right? The differential? Yeah, with differential. You gotta say it slow. Differential. You gotta put your white man voice. The differential. Oh, I love this 300, man. Boy, get y'all 5.7, man. I don't care what y'all get a 5.7. But this ain't definitely gonna be much faster. It's about to rain already. Look at that. So I finally get a joy of just for a little bit until it rains. About to go get some food for my family. Fill this up with gas. I know it's not. I like to have a full tank. When I get in my car, I have a full tank. I like it, you know. Keeps everything nice and fresh. Cause I drive it and I let it sit for a little bit. But this week, I know I'm gonna be driving a lot, so I'm gonna just go ahead and fill her up. Just get it done. Hey, get out the way, man. Big old slow car. Playing Mika. Well, I was gonna do it, but no way. Let's do it with Alondra. Oh, I love this car, but it's nothing like driving a V8. When y'all driving, I don't know if you got a Scat Pack or whatever you got, bro. It ain't nothing like driving this thing. Ooh, and it's downshifting good too. Yes, sir. more because I got the 4.5 inch tips. It like it's idling. I don't know what it's doing, or it's crackling or popping. I guess because I don't know, man. It just sounds a lot better. Dang, look at everybody have Popeyes though. God, can't get nothing around here, man. Black people don't play around with the chicken. Goodness, they don't play around. Don't play around.